and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Madalag! Quick march!
हरियाली, बगिया के फूल और जोशो खरोश से लबरेज हमारे नौनिहाल, ये सब आपके आगमन से प्रफुल्लित हैं। स्पोर्ट्स डे के इस खास मौके पर विद्यालय परिवार की ओर से आपका हार्दिक स्वागत और अभिनंदन।
Let us all put our hands together once again to welcome the honored chief guests.
सेंट टेरेसा के प्रांगण में गुनगुनाती धूप, सरसराती हवा, पेड़ों की हरियाली, बगिया के फूल और जोशो खरोश से लबरेज हमारे नौनिहाल, ये सब आपके आगमन से प्रफुल्लित हैं। स्पोर्ट्स डे के इस खास मौके पर विद्यालय परिवार की ओर से आपका हार्दिक स्वागत और अभिनंदन।
Let us all put our hands together once again to welcome these honored chief guests.
स्पोर्ट्स डे के इस खास मौके पर विद्यालय परिवार की ओर से माननीय मुख्य अतिथि आयुक्त भागलपुर श्री A.K. चौधरी, विशिष्ट अतिथि मेयर भागलपुर श्री दीपक भुवानिया तथा हमारी अपनी परम आदरणीय रेवरेंड सिस्टर स्कॉलास्टिका, आप सबों की गरिमामय उपस्थिति से हमारे विद्यालय का कण कण पुलकित और आह्लादित है। हमारे नन्हे टेरेसियंस की तो खुशी का ठिकाना नहीं है।
In the background, one could be totally flummoxed by the joyful exultations of the Teresians rising to a crescendo at the sight of the confluence present here with us to mark Press Fest 2016 in St. Teresa's School. We accord each and everyone a warm and sincere welcome. Now over to Shaurya, Rishika and Dhruv for the welcome address.
नमस्ते।
सत श्री अकाल। आदाब।
The angels of the earth in that fair green garden, away from the sun, the inclement winter has brought us unto a rock on the cloud like birds. The mighty air that fills the roof, trumpet madness, the laughter and cries of all. Listen here, it is a next tactic. It's a moment for all the Teresians. Have a good road to dignitaries, guests, parents, friends, and well-wishers to grace the annual sports day of our school on this beautiful winter morning. Therefore, the students of St. Teresa School joins me in the rapturous greetings because all of you have made a huge effort to join us today.
Good morning, one and all. I look around the stage and am in awe to hold the gracious presence of Sri Ajay Kumar Chaudhary, IAS, the Honorable Commissioner, Bhagalpur Division, here with us today. On this day, many bonds are made and many more renewed and reinforced. Your maiden visit fans the flames of positivity all around you, sir. You have taken grueling pain to spend the weekend with us today. With passionate exuberance, we all accord you a very warm and wholehearted welcome, dear sir.
The underlying melody that runs through and the addition of that extra zing to the day is caused by the august presence of the former principal and present president of our school, Reverend Sister Scholastica. Your unremitted devotion and dedication for the cause of education has placed the Teresa School as a shining star in the academic cosmos. You have played a prominent role in the growth and development of our school. With affection so deep, we are thrilled to have gracious We are thrilled to have your gracious presence with us today, dear sister.
With profound happiness and love brimming in our eyes, we accord a warm welcome to the special guest of honor, Shri Deepak Bhuvania, Mayor Bhagalpur, Dr. Preeti Shekhar, Deputy Mayor Bhagalpur. Your presence includes everything we have ever wanted and lifts us feelings high as a kite. Please accept a joyful welcome, dear sir and madam.
The warm ambience that prevails in the presence of our school is ravished by the presence of good numbers of fathers, sisters, well-wishers and friends. Your presence emphatically means that you are here to recognize, encourage and nurture the talents and skills of every child. I most cordially welcome you, Reverend Fathers, Sisters, well-wishers and friends, to change the course of life from drudgery to vivacity.
One who loves till you close your eyes is a mother. One who loves without any expression in the eyes is a father. Mother introducing you to the whole world. Father introduces the world to you. Mother gives you life. Father gives you living.
Like beacons of light, both father and mother guide their children in order to shape their future. However, very often one falls short, showing appreciation and gratitude to their altruistic devotion to their children. We, the Teresians, deem it a rare privilege to honor our dear parents on this significant day. Do accept our obeisance to you, dear Mama and Papa. Enjoy the unadulterated fun of your dear children.
With radiant sentiments, the all Teresians invite the members of print and electronic media. A cordial welcome to you all.
For sports fans, sport is an epitome of hard work and dedication to get to the pinnacle. Even the most naturally gifted athletes have to give it their all.
The 5S of sports training are stamina,
Speed,
strength,
skill,
and spirit. But
the greatest of these is spirit.
May the spirit of sportsmanship prevail on this day.
Wellness is a privilege is the slogan, and the word impossible is not in my dictionary is the theme of this event.
Yes, sport is about these incredible moments where sheer human will and desire to overcome the odds. A trophy carries dust, but memories last forever. Come everyone to the arena. Join, merge yourself and forget into the most enchanting world of children. Watch the sports not only for excitement, but even more, let us watch it for the drama.
Do enjoy all the sports fun and none of its pain, winning and losing moments, cheers and tears. Above all, the vitality and vigor of Tricks Fest 2019. Once again, a most cordial and royal welcome to you all.
Hearty welcome, royal welcome.
Words aren't sufficient to express our love and appreciation to our dear guests. The bouquet of flowers conveys the depth of our gratitude to our esteemed guests. Enjoy the fragrance of our sentiments of love and gratitude. We feel greatly privileged to have the esteemed guests in our school on this significant day. As a token of our deep sense of appreciation, we would like to honor you, dear sirs, provincial and madam. May I now request Reverend Sister Amrita, the principal, St. Teresa School, and Reverend Sister Margaret, Vice Principal, to honor our dear guests with a memento and Angvastra. over the memento to Sri Ajay Kumar Chaudhary, IAS Commissioner, Bhagalpur Division. Sri Deepak Bhuvania, Mayor, Bhagalpur, and esteemed guest Srimati Dr. Preeti Shekhar, Deputy Mayor, Bhagalpur, and Reverend Sister Scholastica, President, St. Teresa School, Bhagalpur. The most awaited and breathtaking moments have come. The inauguration ceremony of this event shall be witnessed by every one of us in a short while. May I now invite Sri Ajay Kumar Chaudhary, IAS Commissioner, Bhagalpur Division, to hoist the school flag. I also invite all our esteemed guests, Sri Deepak Bhuvania, Mayor, Bhagalpur, Srimati Preeti Shekhar, Deputy Mayor, Bhagalpur, Reverend Sister Scholastica, the President of our school, to accompany the chief guest to the podium, escorted by Reverend Sister Amrita, Principal, St. Teresa School. This will be followed by Now over to the Teresian Brigade for the parade. We request the dignitaries to receive the salutation from the captains of the school and each group as well. The school captain Pratyush with the school flag. Harmony, Symphony, Euphony and Synchrony. The group captains with their battalion are in great vigor and enthusiasm, leading towards a life sublime. The cavalcade, one after the other, exhibit their unity and synchrony in order to impress the audience gathered here with us today. The school forms into 4 groups of boys and girls under the banner Harmony Group to display peace and tranquility, Symphony Group to exhibit unity in diversity, Euphony to flaunt their bravado, and the Synchrony Group to display confidence and courage come what may be. The boys and girls are moving in one rhythm, one movement, displaying the disciplined body and mind. The focus here is harmonious movement in unity.
बाधाएं आती हैं आए, गिरे प्रलय की घोर घटाएं, पाँवों के नीचे अंगारे, सिर पर बरसे ज्वालाएं, निज हाथों में हंसते हंसते आग लगाकर जलना होगा, कदम मिलाकर चलना होगा। एक के पीछे एक विभिन्न परिधानों में सुसज्जित हमारे चारों ग्रुप अपने अपने ध्वज को लहराते हुए, ताल से ताल मिलाते हुए आगे और आगे को बढ़ते जा रहे हैं। लेफ्ट राइट की तर्ज पर प्यार और समर्पण की भावना से भरे हमारे स्कूल के नौनिहाल अपने स्कूल ध्वज तक पहुंचते हुए उन्हें सलामी देते हुए एकता, अनुशासन, संयम और दृढ़ता का बेजोड़ संगम धीरे धीरे मैदान के चक्कर लगाता हुआ।
The groups are named after the musical notations. They truly mark a rhythmic notation in their lives, a beautiful music pleasing to every ear. Having accomplished
कौन क्रमशः एक एक कर मैदान में अपना अपना स्थान ग्रहण करते हुए सबसे पहले दाहिनी तरफ लाल परिधानों में सुसज्जित सिंक्रनी ग्रुप की बच्चियां, पीले वस्त्रों में सिम्फनी ग्रुप की बच्चियां, ब्लू वस्त्र में यूफनी ग्रुप की बच्चियां और इसी तरह से क्रमशः यूफनी, सिम्फनी, सिंक्रनी ग्रुप के बच्चे अपने अपने ध्वजों को लहराते हुए।
Having accomplished the march past in the best possible way, we move on to the Mashal March. The torch bearer is requested to move on to the stage, and I request the chief guest of the day, Shri Ajay Kumar Chaudhary, IAS Commissioner, Bhagalpur Division, to light up the torch which shall remain brightly burning to ignite the sportsman spirit today and every day.
बुझी हुई मशाल जला दो, आग की ज्वाला बढ़ा दो, देश राग गुनगुना कर एक नवी ज्योत दिखा दो। राग दीपक फिर है सुनाना, ताप में फिर से है जलना, प्रलय आंधी भेद कर फिर से है दम को जगमगाना। तलवार जगा हर तरफ से जीत की पताका फहराओ।
Here is Satyam handing over the torch to Anish. The flame is passed on to achieved together with the athletes of today's event is sprinting towards a life sublime to light up the world. Let us put our hands together for future of our nation. May I request Rishika to lead the athletes for the oath ceremony.
I hereby take an oath that I will take part in today's event with sportsmanship. I also pledge that I will abide by the rules and regulations of today's events with honesty and integrity. Jai Hind!
Having pledged to abide by the rules and regulations of today's event, we now move on to the official declaration of the inauguration of today's events. May I now request the chief guest of the day, Shri Ajay Kumar Chaudhary, to declare the Sports Meet 2016 open. After which all the dignitaries are requested to release the balloons.
I declare Trade Fest 2016 open.
I request all the dignitaries to release the balloons indicating the spirit of sportsmanship to fly higher and higher above the mountains and hills, valleys and rivers towards a life sublime.
सतरंगे गुब्बारे लगते कितने प्यारे प्यारे।
वो लोग जो 200 में रहेगा डिसी लाया है वो रखेगा लिस्ट है मेरे पास 5 सेकंड का सब कुछ खाना 5 सेकंड खड़ के
The groups stand united to form one single music, the music of love for humanity. To enjoy the harmonious effect of unity, the 4 groups of boys and girls form into a single star to shine in the sky. The stars of Saint Teresa, may you be the shining star in the vast sky for everyone to see. अभिभावकों से अनुरोध करूंगा कृपया करतल ध्वनि के साथ इन्हें विदा करें ताकि अगली बार पुनः कुछ अच्छे आयोजन के साथ उपस्थित हों। Under the able guidance of Sir, the Teresian band stands undaunted. Let us now enjoy the band display.
और अभिभावकों से निवेदन है कि जोरदार तालियों से हमारे बैंड का उत्साहवर्धन करें। अनुष्ठान छोटा हो या बड़ा, उसकी निर्विघ्न सफलता के लिए सर्वशक्तिमान की कृपा आवश्यक है। आज उसी के आशीर्वाद से हम इस मुकाम तक पहुँचे हैं। आगे भी उनकी कृपा निरंतर हम पर ऐसे ही बनी रहे, इसी याचना के साथ हमारी बच्चियां समूह नृत्य प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हैं। आकाश मंडल ईश्वर की महिमा वर्णन करता है। सकता है। शरारतें करते हैं, साजिशें नहीं करते। अब हमारे ये नन्हे प्यारे कोमल कोमल बच्चे वेश बदलकर नटखट चूजों के रूप में मस्ती के मूड में आ गए हैं। अपनी अटखेलियों और मस्त अदाओं से हमें सम्मोहित करना चाहते हैं। आइए सब कुछ भुलाकर खो जाएं इनकी शरारतों में।
Let us now start today's sports events with finals of 100-meter race for girls.
आप देख रहे हैं कि वहां पे लेन ड्रॉ हो चुका है। इस लेन में कुल खिलाड़ी को मिला है और सब तैयारी पूरी करते हुए अकरम अली 100 मीटर रेस जो आज का पहला इवेंट है स्पोर्ट्स का है 100 मीटर रेस और सबसे तेज धावक का होने का किमेकार प्राप्त होता है। मंच के सामने से तैयारी पूरी करते हुए 100 मीटर से खिलाड़ी अकरम अली स्टार्ट। और इसमें से 100 मीटर रेस की प्रतियोगिता शुरू हो गई। मंच के सामने से सबसे तेज धाविका होने का गौरव प्राप्त करते हैं। मंच के सामने ताली की जोरदार आवाज से मंच के सामने जिक्र करते हुए खिलाड़ी और इस तरह से 100 मीटर बालिका वर्ग की प्रतियोगिता का आप अभी समापन हुआ और सबसे तेज धाविका होने का केवल गौरव प्राप्त करते कुछ क्षणों में आपके सामने।
Our next sports event is
और इसमें से 100 मीटर बालक वर्ग की प्रतियोगिता सबसे तेज धावक पुराना दौर देखिए काफी कंपटीशन लेना है कोई मुश्किल और इसमें से 100 मीटर रेस बालक वर्ग की सीनियर बालक वर्ग की प्रतियोगिता का समापन अभी और इसमें पहले और दूसरे तीसरे स्थान पर जो एथलीट रहे हैं थोड़ी क्षणों में आपके सामने परिणाम होगा।
आज अपने साथ पाकर हमारे बच्चे भी बहुत खुश हैं और पंख लगाकर मस्ती में थिरकने और झूमने के लिए बेचैन भी। अब क्या फर्क पड़ता है कि इनके पंख तितलियों के हैं या मोर के? पंख तो पंख हैं और पंख दिए हैं तो उड़ान में बाधा कैसी?
Here come LKG students with their tricycle to win the finals of tricycle race.
बड़े तो बड़े, छोटे भी सुभान अल्लाह। उसी की तर्ज पे अपने छोटे बच्चे भी अपनी खेल की प्रतिभा आपके सामने से करते हुए, ये छोटे छोटे बच्चे जो ट्राइसाइकिल के अपना जौहर दिखा रहे हैं मंच के सामने से, मैं चाहूंगा कि सारे दर्शक एक बार इन बच्चों के लिए, इनकी हिम्मत अफजाई के लिए जरूर ताली बजाएंगे जब यहाँ से आए। शुक्रिया, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपका कि आपने इन बच्चों के लिए बजाया जो कल के भविष्य है, आपके सामने से ट्राइसाइकिल पे आते हुए।
डफली की थाप पर थिरकने आ रहे हैं जूनियर सेक्शन के बच्चे, और आइए देखते हैं ये रिमिक्स।
मुझे भी बुलाओ, कहाँ है ये दुनिया वाले।
ऐसी नजर से देखा उस जालिम ने चौक पर, हमने कलेजा रख दिया चाकू के नोक मेरा संज्ञा विस्मान फूल विस्तार खान विस्फोरी
बजने दे धड़क धड़क ढोलका से धड़क धड़क भंडारा चिड़क चिड़क मल्हारी धड़क धड़क भड़क सली चटक मटक भटक सली दुश्मन की देखो चौपाट लावली बजने दे धड़क धड़क ढोलका से धड़क धड़क भंडारा चिड़क चिड़क मल्हारी
May I now request Honorable Chief Guest Sri Ajay Kumar Chaudhary, IAS, Commissioner, Bhagalpur Division, to encourage us with your gracious.
भागलपुर के मेयर साहब, डिप्टी मेयर साहिबा, सेंट टेरेसा स्कूल के प्रिंसिपल साहिबा, फैकल्टीज एंड अदर एसोसिएट्स, सेंट टेरेसा स्कूल में पढ़ रहे छात्र छात्राओं के अभिभावकगण एवं इस विद्यालय के छात्र छात्राएं, न्यूज एवं प्रिंट मीडिया के प्रतिनिधिगण, मेरे लिए भागलपुर में नित्य दिन एक नया अनुभव मेरे लिए है। 4-5 माह हम आए हुए हमें हुआ है और मैं धीरे धीरे इसी तरह के आमंत्रण पर जब जाता हूं तो भागलपुर जिला की विशालता, सांस्कृतिक समृद्धता, शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में नई ऊंचाइयों को यह देख करके मन हर्षित होता है और कभी कभी गर्व होता है कि अपने जीवन के किसी क्षणों में यह याद रहेगा कि भागलपुर जैसे समृद्ध शहर का मैं कमिश्नर रहा हूं। मैं इस अवसर पर इस पूरे विद्यालय परिवार को, संस्थान को, छात्र छात्राओं को, सबको अपने हृदय से मैं शुभकामना देता हूं। विद्यालय तरक्की करता रहे और मुझे इसी तरह ऐसे फेस्टिवल में आमंत्रित करते रहें। थैंक यू।
Thank you, sir, for your encouragement and making yourself available to us in spite of your busy schedule. Now over to Falak and Divya to express our gratitude.
A very pleasant afternoon to Shri Ajay Kumar Chaudhary, IS Commissioner, Bhagalpur Division, Shri Deepak Bhuwania, Mayor Bhagalpur, Shri Preeti Shekhar, Deputy Mayor Bhagalpur, respected Sister Scholastica, the President of our school, the esteemed guests, Reverend Fathers, Sisters, well-wishers, and my dear friends. On behalf of the entire Teresian family, Divya and me, Falak, would like to acknowledge our deep sense of gratitude to each one present here. May I take this golden opportunity to express my most sincere gratitude to Shri Ajay Kumar Mishra, to Shri Ajay Kumar Chaudhary, IAS Commissioner, Bhagalpur Division, for really consenting to our invitation and bestowing on us affection. Without haste, sweetness, without impatience, your magnanimity has always inspired and encouraged us, which is uncommon in our busy culture nowadays. But you hold the future of the nation tenderly in your heart, and being with them is the gold nuggets of your life. From the fullness of our heart, we extend you our most sincere gratitude, dear sir. I would like to place upon our hearty thanks to Shri Deepak Bhuwania for being with us today. It is a privilege to have a man of your status who keeps the infringement of law and order at bay in Bhagalpur. You work diligently towards re-engineering a better and safe world for the residents of Bhagalpur. A million thanks to you for sparing your valuable time with us. Thank you, sir. We wholeheartedly thank Reverend Sister Scholastica, the President of the Managing Committee, for presiding over the 12th Fest 2016 in St. Teresa School, Bhagalpur. Your genial behavior, motherly affection, total dedication and professional regularity is simply superb. It's been a great pleasure to have you on this significant day. In this holy shrine, please accept our most sincere and profound gratitude, dear sister. With extreme happiness and love brimming in our eyes, I extend our indebtedness to Srimati Preeti Shekhar for being with us today. Thank you all. I wish to express my gratitude to Reverend Fathers, Sisters, and all the well-wishers for providing encouragement to all our students. You smiled, cheered, and boosted the spirit of all our children. My deep sense of appreciation and thanks to each and every one of you for being with us today. thanks gala to all our dear parents for the enormous cooperation in the organization of Trust Fest 2016. Dear parents, your shared quest for the organization has led your children's ambition soar to exalted frontiers. Your sense of dedication, exertion, and perseverance has made the lives of your children classic instances of triumph. Thank you for your valuable presence with us today.
I like to express our sincere thanks to print and electronic media for giving excellent coverage to all our activities of school. Thank you all for being with us today.
An event like this cannot happen overnight. It requires planning and bird's eye for detail. We have been fortunate to be backed by a team of very motivated sisters, teaching and non-teaching staff, students, neighbors and associates who know their job and are result-oriented. We wholeheartedly acknowledge the cooperation and support of our dear sisters, teachers and colleagues. Thank you once and all.
Trust Fest 2016 in St. Teresa School, Bhagalpur has been a great event and a milestone in the life and the history of this institution. However, all this splendor and grandeur was possible only by the assistance of Lord, who manifests His loving presence not only with the someone quite above and beyond, but also as the intimate guest pulsing with life within our very being. We pay our humble homage to Him.
Of course, we owe a debt of gratitude to each one present here. Once again, please acknowledge our sincere gratitude on this significant day of St. Teresa School. Moreover, we look forward in meeting you again and again. Till then, goodbye. Thank you and abundant blessing from above. Thank you one and all.
We now move on to the finals of 200-meter race for boys and girls. 200-meter race finals for boys and girls. I would like to thank Sri Deepak Bhuwania, Mayor Bhagalpur, for your valuable presence. Thank you, dear sir.
तो इनमें परवेश सारे तरफ सारे निर्णायक लगे हुए हैं खिलाड़ी को सुविधा के लिए। Athlete on your mark. और इस स्टार हो गया 200 मीटर रेस फाइनल क्वार्टर फाइनल निर्णायक अपने मंच में जीता बनाते हुए एक चक्कर लगाते हुए आप देख रहे हैं 200 मीटर रेस 200 मीटर रेस बस पांच स्थान पे रेस निकला चलो धीरे जाइए वहां पे नाम लिखाइए बस कौन से गंधाड़ चले जाइए बस लॉटरी 200 मीटर रेस बालिका वर्ग का फाइनल 6 खिलाड़ी इसमें अपने प्रतिभा का जौहर दिखाएंगे। एक चक्कर इन्हें भी पूरा करना है और इनका भी लेन ड्रॉ हो रहा है। कुछ क्षणों में आपको पता चलेगा कि किस लेन नंबर पे कौन से खिलाड़ी हैं और उनको अपने अपने लेन में ही आके यहाँ पे समाप्त करना है। 200 मीटर रेस इस प्रतियोगिता के आज की इस प्रतियोगिता की सबसे लंबी दूरी की दौड़ है, जबकि सबसे तेज धापिका होने का गौरव प्राप्त कर चुके थोड़ा देर पहले 100 मीटर रेस के कई इवेंट्स आज हुए हैं, जिसमें कि हर्डल बाधाएं दौड़ भी है, रिले रेस भी है और उसी के तहत 200 मीटर रेस बालिका वर्ग का फाइनल है।
और इस 200 मीटर इस बालिका वर्ग का फाइनल स्टार्ट हो चुका है। जोरदार ताली से खिलाड़ी को उत्साह बढ़ाते हुए सारे दर्शकों के बीच इस 200 मीटर रेस में कार्यक्रम को लगा रही बालिका वर्ग का फाइनल 6 खिलाड़ी इस प्रतियोगिता में भाग ले रहे हैं और मंच लगाते हुए खिलाड़ी काफी अच्छा ये 200 मीटर रेस प्रतियोगिता का फाइनल होगा।
As we were busy in our different items of the program, we could not have a glance of the winners of 100-meter race senior girls, 100-meter race senior boys and tricycle race for LKG. So may I request the winners to come to the winner stand. Tricycle race for LKG, the winners. Tricycle race winners. इनकी हौसला अफजाई करें।
कौन कहता आसमान से सुराख नहीं हो सकता, कौन कहता आसमान से सुराख नहीं हो सकता, एक पत्थर तो तबीयत से उछालो यारो। इन बच्चों का करामात देख के आप इन्हें लगा होगा कि हौसले की कमी नहीं इनमें, बस एक प्रतिभा, इन्हें एक मौका मिलना चाहिए और मौका का इन्होंने भरपूर मौका का फायदा उठाया और इन्होंने अपनी प्रतिभा में पहले और दूसरे और तीसरे स्थान पे बनाया है। एक बार फिर से बच्चों के लिए ताली बजाएं ताकि कल के ये बच्चे आपके शहर का, आपके राज्य का नाम रोशन कर सके। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया सारे दर्शकों का।
mental health is critical level.